Affiliate marketing can squeeze more revenue from your site. Unemployment is now higher than it's been since the early 1980s, and many people are panicking because they cannot find work. If you are looking for a solid career choice, you may just find that affiliate marketing can be a great move. Find out about some of the hottest affiliate tips in the video below. Place keywords in website content. By doing this, the search engines will recognize that your site is probably related to certain keywords and rank the site accordingly. But take care to do this naturally. Abnormal keyword stuffing seems unnatural and unreadable to some. Just use the keywords in a conversational way. It is important that you treat your website visitors right. They know an affiliate advertisement when they see one. If you endorse a product that you do not believe in, or if you take advantage of their visit with excessive ads, then they will not visit your website in the future. Affiliate marketing is not just for people who know how to build websites. If you can write well, know how to promote products in a fun, interesting way, and like to make extra money, then affiliate marketing can help you when you really need it. All you need to do is get permission from the company that you are interested in to sell their product. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, ask for reviews of the affiliate product you are considering before you promote it. This will prevent you from losing credibility with your customers or subscribers by promoting a product that is subpar, and ensure that you advertise only high-quality items. Affiliate marketing deals with selling products and can actually be a great and long-lasting career if you are able to do it correctly. That's why it's so important that you use the tips you've just read in this video correctly. Being able to successfully market products can turn out to be very lucrative. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.